Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the paper templates on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Just wait a few seconds. So that's the home screen, and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And here you can find the second button, the Manage Notebook Templates. Click to the second, the paper, and here you can find different papers, the essentials, rating papers. You can find different planners and music paper, and you can just select one. For example, the single column mix you can download and you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.